Hi, I'm Big Jim Garancer with ULEN'S Polish, and I'm here to demonstrate this amazing all-around polish I discovered over 30 years ago. I'm the founder and owner of Nationwide Overspray, one of the largest companies in the US that fix and restore cars that have been damaged by errant paint or vandalism. Without us, these cars are considered ruined and will cost millions of dollars to repair. This presented us with a unique opportunity. If we could develop a no-brainer way of removing damage no one else could, we could have a great business. The discovery and innovation I am about to show you means today, the most well-known car brands and insurance companies call us to fix the cars because we have a most unique way of removing the damage and saving the paint surfaces no one else has. And now, I've taken that trade secret formula and made it into an all-purpose polish that everyone should have in their home and garage. But the magic comes when we discovered it worked on many other things, like wood surfaces, kitchen cabinets, floors, and even vintage antique furniture, bringing them back to life with the rich finish that only an aged surface can have. ULEN'S Power Polish has long been a favorite used by professionals to restore, replenish, and protect valuable finishes like no other product. That's why we say there really is a fortune's worth of solutions in every bottle of ULEN'S.